I've been kind of in a funk the last few days here, and I just really want to get out too and kind of spread my wings here, and instead of sitting around moping. I lost my dog actually just a few days ago, and it's been pretty tough, kind of unexpected. And I don't know if you guys have pets or if you've ever lost a dog. It's almost like losing a family member, really. She was part of the family, and it was very unexpected, really. She had been kind of not feeling herself for a while, but nothing that you would think, you know, too serious. She just kind of lethargic and had some digestive issues, but she really went downhill fast. We get her regular checkups and things like that, and she just had a wellness check maybe about 8 weeks ago, and everything checked out and was fine, you know, as far as we knew. But it didn't seem like that was the case, really. She started getting a little bit worse, and we ended up taking her back in, and they just gave us some antibiotics. Said she had a sinus infection, nothing serious, so we took her home with the meds, and she just kept getting worse and worse. And then I guess it was last Friday, we took her had to take her to emergency vet, and they ended up doing a scan and said she had a large mass on her spleen and the liver. Her lymph node glands were extremely swollen, and she pretty much just stopped eating, couldn't hold any food down. And I guess that was a Friday, and then we had a vet appointment that Monday, and they said, you know, it looked like lymphoma cancer, but rather than keep spending money with them, just follow up with your vet. They gave us some meds to get us through the weekend, and we took her in Monday, and she barely made it through the weekend, to be quite honest with you. And she was just so far gone by the time we got to that vet appointment Monday. We had to just put her down. She couldn't even hold herself up, really. So it is what it is, but man, it really got me in a funk. And you lose a loved one, it just kind of makes you start thinking about how short life is, and it was unexpected, like I said. So you never know about your own life or the people around you. You know, is today the last day, or we got 6 months or 60 years? I mean, who really knows? But it kind of puts things into perspective and makes you really think. But anyway, my dog, she was a tree and walker coonhound. Very unique dog, man. She could pick up a scent of an animal in the yard. Seemed like a quarter of a mile away. She'd get her nose down on the floor in the house and just start running the house if you could smell something outside. I never seen a dog that could like sense out something like that, but that's what the breed's made for. But she loved to chase birds. I don't know what it was, but she saw a buzzard or a hawk or, you know, a big bird up in the sky, she would be just standing straight up, barking and running. It just drove her crazy to see a bird. She'd even bark at an airplane. Man, look at this giant fox squirrel. You don't see those very often. Man, he's huge. Hey, buddy. Pretty cool little sighting there. I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera, but anyway, man, she was something else. One of the most intelligent dogs I've ever had. We really didn't know how old she was. She ended up, I was cooking a turkey, smoking a turkey on the Big Green Egg on Thanksgiving of 2019, and she just come walking up on the porch. I guess you could smell that turkey. And she was just a skeleton. Had an old ragged collar on, and she looked rough. And we took her in. We tried to search for her owner and try to find, you know, who she belonged to. She wasn't chipped. She didn't. Nobody ever tried to claim her. We put her on all the Facebook places and searched and searched and searched. And nobody came forward, and she just kind of took up with us, and you could tell she was trained. She was potty trained, crate trained. She liked being in the house. she was somebody's dog, because she, like I said, she was pretty well trained. And she had a lot of odd fears, like you got a trash bag out and started, you know, wafting it up to get it in the can. She just freaking lost her mind and ran. So somebody, I think, done that to her and trying to train her not to get in the garbage, maybe. But I'm really not sure. But we never did find her owner, and she ended up being one of the best dogs I ever had. But anyway, guys, I don't want to bore you with my sad dog story. But for those of you out there that, you know, you got pets or you've lost a pet, you know, it can be pretty traumatic. I didn't really expect to make this video, and like I said, it's not my typical ride test or gung-ho about something. It's just, you know, one of those things I got to deal with, and life sometimes throws you a curveball and you just got to roll with the punches, so to speak, and here we are. So I appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel. If you could just hit that subscribe button, that'd super help me out. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully we'll have a brighter topic on the next video. See you then.